I am Dr. B.P. Nanda, ENT surgeon. I have joined my ENT surgery at Adra Railway Hospital after doing the post-graduation from Bombay University in the year 1994 to 96. Then joined at Adra and set up good ENT lab, ENT equipments, modern ENT equipments, as well as OT, thereby able to conduct lot of ENT surgeries. Microscopic surgeries I started from day one for the last 15 years. In the span of 15 years, I have done more than 800 surgeries, especially tympanoplasty, where those deaf persons with or are discharged from ear, and I have served those rural people with good hearing. That is my level of satisfaction, that I could able to restore hearing of so many poor patients, those who are not able to get the proper hearing. At the same time, I have also done a lot of mastered surgeries, those complicated surgery. Just now you saw the procedure required for cochlear implant. Same surgery I have done at a small place like Adra. So Adra is a remote area of Purulia district where mostly we cater to railway employees and their beneficiaries. There are not good hospital surroundings, but the railway hospital is the ultimatum where we are able to give them proper service. That is the result of, that is the satisfaction level which I get by rendering service to those poor people. Very rarely we come across audience of this big cities, so it doesn't come to limelight. So silently I go on doing surgeries and the ultimate help to those poor people, and that is the level of satisfaction. People give me the feedback, so we are benefited much more by your presence. But after 15 years of serving Adra people, a week back I have been promoted to Chief Medical Superintendent and joined at Chakradharpur. I hope during my tenure at Chakradharpur also, I will be able to develop that center at par with Adra as well as Garden Bridge. At the same time, not only ear surgeries, I also conduct surgeries of the nose, surgeries of the throat, and also laryngeal surgeries. Those ENT subject is definitely a complicated subject, not much more developed in the Eastern India. I hope by making those sort of seminars, people will come to know the importance of ENT services available and the benefit which can be given to poor people. Thank you.